Hi guys, so you can see we did some treatment on the front wheels already on the steer axle. We got these new chrome BESTfit hub covers here, the oil caps. This is a new product here. One piece, solid build aluminum, chrome plated. Really nice fit, stainless bolts and everything. While I was working on there, we painted the hubs and we put on these tall cylinder type screw on nut covers on this front axle. All right, let's go back to the drive axle and do some work on them. All right guys, so back here on the drive axle, this truck came in and it had the standard chrome plastic hub cover with the screw on nut covers, but we want something a little more modern and custom looking. So we found this new product from Real Wheels, and this is a one-piece stainless hub cover that, as you can see, there's no bolt holes in it anywhere. It's simply going to install over a foam, I'm going to call it sort of bushing here over the axle hub. And this is new to me also, so I guess you're going to kind of learn this with me. But according to instructions here, once we find the right size, because there's some depending on the size of the hub, not necessarily the axle flange, but the hub itself. But we need to put this foam over the hub all the way past the axle flange, and it's got some tape in there that we'll put across the foam, across the face of the axle flange, so that that foam doesn't try to push out as I'm forcing it on. Now it does, just slide these right on over that. Yeah, I can see it's going to compress that foam a lot. That's probably about a ½ inch bigger diameter, or radius even, than the hub cover. Just got to make sure that the foam goes inside the cover and we're not just pushing on the edge of it. I'm tapping on, I can feel that it's solid against the wheel now, so that's installed. All there is to it. No fasteners, no hardware. So that's pretty tight. It's going to take a little bit of work to pull that off of there, but it is still removable, so if you're having to work on something, it's removable without it ruining anything. Now we can put our tall nut covers like we did on the steer axle on this. All right guys, that's all there is to it. That's installation of the Real Wheels universal foam mount high hat axle covers. All stainless, it's not plastic, it's not chrome plated steel. And of course these deep nut covers on here looks really good. I'll go repeat the process on the rest of the wheels. So there it is, all our axle covers and nut covers. Less than 10 minutes, no tools needed, and look how clean and smooth that is. Nice and sharp. If you want to set up these for your truck, check it out at forstatrucks.com.